Hey traders, let's have a look at silver and gold. Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through the top 13 biggest mistakes that most traders make in the markets. As you know, that the mistakes that you're actually making in the markets right now is actually killing your chances of being successful. So click on the box above that says top 13 mistakes to get access to this now. Alright, quick little look at silver and gold to show you what I'm seeing here, what's happening with silver and gold. Let's actually have a look at this here. Let's have a look at the SLV chart itself. You can see how I've been saying that this strong sellers equal weak, strong sellers into weak sellers equals strong buyers. And that's what I'm still expecting to happen, especially when you can see this SLV chart is definitely at this area of support around the 1550 level. So I still am expecting to see some nice buying movement, whether that's a big shoot up by the end of the year and we have a big rally by the end of the year. I don't know guys, it's going to be really interesting December. As you can see, but I do see a rally coming out of this here. Even if it is just a rally before another step down, I don't know, but that's what I'm seeing there on the SLV chart. Looking at GLD, by the way, GLD, the same thing, guys. We've had such a big extended move to the downside that we are due for a snapback. And this, you watch, guys, it will snap back, and we're gonna start to get some big, strong buys out of this thing. I'm not talking about it just gonna go straight up to 125. I don't know that. You know, but at least a nice move back up to 120. You know, I mean, this thing has dropped down so fast and so hard that, you know, a move back up to 115, maybe, you know, 120, I would say, before it starts to find a bit of resistance. I don't know. It may blast by that by the end of the year as well too. But SLV, especially the GLD chart, and again, guys, don't take my word for this. Have a look at charts and look at this here. Look how fast this thing has just dropped all the way down through there. You can see how the market has just vertically moved. When that happens, guys, generally what happens is we get a nice pullback. And you can really see this on the line chart as well. If you have a look at, say, a line chart, you can see here on a line chart basis, and again, you just see what happened. You can see how fast this has come down without any decent pullback. And you can see, guys, what happens most of the time is the market will have a pullback. So we're pretty much the gold has been hammered all the way down. So we are due for a pullback. And so that's just what I see on GLD and gold there. Looking at the actual market itself, looking at silver itself, guys, silver, you can see that we actually have sort of a support and resistance going on from probably around there somewhere. This support resistance here. So this whole level through here around the $16 level is a pretty strong support level. It tried to rally out, but it had a little down day today. As you can see, the last couple of days have been up in silver, and then we've had like a bit of a sideways day today as well too. So is this the start of the pullback? I actually think it may be, because as you can see, we've actually started breaking out of this downward channel. As you can see, strong sellers, weak sellers. Now we're popping out through here. Do we start to get some more stronger buyers on that? I would actually think so. Moving forward into gold, we can see again this strong selling down into this weak selling period. We've got this overall channel through here, as you can see. This overall channel through there, and you can see that that's what's happening through there. So you can see this resistance here, and we've got this overall level of support through as well too. So I do expect to see some movement to the high side coming up. And again, guys, it goes in line with what is actually happening with the stock market as well too. I think stock market down and gold going up as well. So let's have a look at. I want to share with you guys looking at things like. Let's have a look at, say, the GDX here for a minute. So the GDX, guys, for me is, so this GDX, which is the gold miners ETF, you can see how it's just ran down, and you can see what happened here, guys. Look at this here. So we ran down. This was the trough. It ran down, came back up, hit resistance, and came back down. This was the last trough. Now it's just going sideways. So you can see it came up and then came down and came back, and now it's coming back up. If we break back above this 22 level, guys, then the trend is likely to start changing. We'll like to start stepping up, breaking past these levels of support and resistance levels. Make sense? You can see like there's a resistance there. So if we break above that, then we're likely to start stepping back up again, and this is like a reversal of trend, like it did back up here as well too. That's the GDX. The XAU. The XAU, you can see that it's almost happening already. That we had this breakdown, and now we've got the sideways movement through here. You got this overall sort of support level through here. So it looks like that it wants to break back up. If that happens, that looks like it's going to reverse. And looking at the HUI, the overall big move up, it's come down roughly to the 50 to 60% level and holding there. Once again, guys, if we have a look at that, you can see this level of support and resistance through here. You can see this level of support and resistance through here as well too. And you can see that, you know, that this market, if the market does break back up, we're likely to start breaking back up and start the move, stepping back up. This is likely to be the reversal of the market. And as you can see, as this market stepped up, you can see here that this was the support and resistance. This was a resistance, broke back up, came back up. That was the next previous peak. It broke above the previous peak, came back down. And as you can see, that there was the reversal of at least the short-term trend. Now it's stepped down, came back down, hit resistance, came back down. If this is a reversal, this is a reversal of at least the short-term trend as well too. Now, the big picture, guys, I want you to keep an eye on for is the weekly chart on silver and gold. And the reason why I say that on look at the big picture charts on silver and gold is because I want to share something with you. Looking at, let's have a look here. So that's the daily, weekly. Was it the gold chart that I wanted to share with you? No, it must have been another chart. The XAU, GDX. Which chart was I trying to share with you? It must have been the HUI. Anyway, guys, just keep an eye on keep an eye on that big picture time frame on silver and gold. You can see this one here is on silver. You can see that the market has had a big rally up. If you've used like a Fibonacci level, which is the overall move from the down to the high side, you can see that it's come right down to the 60% level. If we break past this 16 level, then guys, you know we're probably heading back down to 14. I don't think that's going to happen, but this overall move down, if we do get a weekly close, and this is the thing, guys, if we get a weekly close above this level through here, which is like, I guess 17, what is that level through there? You know, around 1730. If we get a weekly close above that, then that's a complete game changer, and we're likely to start moving to the high side. Looking on gold itself has just look at this move down. This is such a reversal pattern. We're likely to start snapping back real soon. So gold is a lot more weak right now, but that to me spells, you know, probably a significant buying opportunity coming into gold. So who knows what's going to happen, guys, but that's my technical argument. That's what I'm seeing on the charts right now. Take it one day at a time. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.